Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, February 26th. The time is around 5 a.m. GMT. So today we'll be looking at the chart of the GDX. This is the gold miners ETF. 60 minutes chart. We can see we ended with 3 in blue and now doing the wave 4 pullback in the form of a zigzag. We got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending A. This is your B. So now it looks like we might still be able to get another push lower to finish the C leg. I mean, if you want to label it, you can probably call this 1, 2, 3, and then now in the 4, and still cannot rule out one more push lower to finish an APC. This is your extreme area, the 100% extension, and then from this area between 28.6 29.6 we could see buyers and support from here for more upside to new high again, or at least a three-ways bounce. All right, so now let me show you the larger degree partial label, of course, but if you want to have a full labels for every time frame in GTX or any other stocks or gold, you can always check our service. We have 14 days free trial. So here's the daily. So I'm putting back the 3 and 4 here. This is the same 3 and 4 on the 1 hour chart right here. We can see it clearly here. So then we are dealing with the 5 waves in the blue starting from November 2019, right? Now what is interesting here, if you look at it from the daily perspective, you can clearly see since we bottom in 2018 September, you can clearly see 5 waves up from here. 1, 2, 3 clearly has an extension. This is clearly wave 3, the longest and the strongest, and this is your wave 4, ended the correction November 2019. Now since then we have broken higher. Now I know that in the past 2 days or so we got this sizable pullback, but look at this, you got a clear 5 ways up, and with 5 it needs to subdivide into 5 waves, right? I mean, that's the Elliott Wave theory. With 5 needs to subdivide into 5 waves, and as of now I only see a 3 ways up from here. Okay, so that again logically seeing that yes, we could certainly still cannot rule out one more push higher at minimum to finish a 5 wave subdivision, right? Now if it overlaps with one, that is fine, because like a lot of people worry so much if with one overlap with wave 4. If it overlaps, then that means it's a diagonal, because we're within the wave 5. It could overlap because of the diagonal, so that's fine. So structure wise seems to be missing one more leg or one more swing higher. The only thing that I think can sort of avoid or can sort of deny this push higher, right? The only alternate I can think about right now is if it is doing a flat from here. So we can do A, B. So this, I can label this as an A, right? And then this is a 3 ways up, ending a B, and then we got an expanded flat, and then we got a very strong sell-off, if that's the case, in the form of 5 wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the only alternate I can think about that kind of deny this idea that we should be getting one more push to the upside, right? But again, I mean, in EWF we don't forecast a flat, especially if it is against the trend. The trend is like a 5 waves is the trend, so you want to go with the trend, and the trend says wave 5 needs to be 5 waves, so we go with that as the primary view, but this is going to be the alternate in case we don't get another push higher and starts to sell off very hard, for example. Okay, so that is the chart of the day for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please do like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.